Welcome. We are at the 2023 African drone soccer competition here in Lagos, Nigeria. Joined by a very special guest, Mr. Will Stevens from the U.S. Consulate. They are gracious supporters of the program, and really for years now they've been, supporting the Global Air Drone Academy and the STEM programs that we're doing in Lagos and all around Nigeria. So, Will, thanks so much for being here.
It's my pleasure. It's so cool. It's so inspiring to see these young kids bring so much energy and like get the technology in their hands and the amazing things they come up with when they do it. It's amazing.
Absolutely. And maybe before we get into the drone soccer, just tell us about your experience in Nigeria. What's been, your experience so far?
Yeah, I begged for this job to come be Consul General in Lagos because the incredible energy and entrepreneurial spirit, right? And when we talk about Nigeria, you're talking about a country with the average age is 19, which means you're going to have the workforce of the world coming from Nigeria.
Yeah.
1 out of every 5 Africans are Nigerian. So if we talk about getting it right with Africa and being all in on Africa, like President Biden says, we got to be all in on Nigeria.
Yeah.
So being here, seeing the incredible investment from the U.S. in the tech sector, seeing the explosion of really cool startups, it's super inspiring, and I'm just really proud to be part of it.
Awesome. And, maybe about drone soccer, what have you learned from what are the students participating in? Like, what have you picked up today?
Yeah, it's amazing. Some of these kids picked up a drone for the first time 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And they're already like masters of how to pilot it. They understand the engineering behind it. They built some of them themselves. So just to see like how quickly, when you get technology into the hand of a kid, they can figure out how to use it. They probably come up with uses that the designers never even intended, which is exactly why we do this kind of thing.
Yeah, absolutely. And just, maybe with the consulate, how do you guys approach STEM? How do you approach, what programs, you choose to support? What is that kind of the backbone of your mission at the consulate?
Sure. So at the consulate, we're all about promoting connections between the U.S. and Nigeria, whether that's commercial relationships, political relationships, or people to people. So when we see opportunities to support great American organizations who are doing work here in Nigeria in those areas of priority, like STEM, we're always happy to jump in and provide that support, bring American expertise into Nigeria, because we know we're paying it forward, right? When you invest here, it's investing in the next generation who are going to be solving the problems that the world faces.
Yeah, awesome. Quick question. You've been in Nigeria now. What is your favorite Nigerian food?
Oh, my favorite Nigerian food? That's a tricky question. I got 2.
Okay.
One, I went to Akwa Ibom and I had fisherman soup.
Oh, yeah.
And being from the East Coast and getting out there and having some good seafood was awesome.
Absolutely.
But here, I love the moi moi. I'd like to go to jollof rice is like a cop out, right? Like saying it is good, but
Sure.
but moi moi is something I never had, and it's so good. You get a little bit of spice. It's amazing.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, look, Will, thank you so much. Any last words that you want to maybe encouragement to those who say that? Yeah.
Huge excitement. Please make sure to support these guys and the great work they're doing.
Thank you so much. We're live at the African Drone Soccer Competition. Thanks so much to the U.S. Consulate for supporting year after year our programs, and we hope to do more, and thank you so much, Will.
My pleasure. Thanks, guys. Take care.
All right.